So the F-150 has a ton of different trim levels. You have the XL, the XLT, Lariat, King Ranch, Platinum, Limited, Raptor, all those trim levels. There's a lot of different trim levels to pick from, and you may wonder and question, which one's best for me and which one, it's the best bang for my buck, and what is the difference? So today we're going to go over what the difference between the XL and the XLT F-150. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so this is my 2018 F-150 XL, but it does have a sport package on it. But today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what the XL gets you and what the XLT will get you. And stick around for the whole entire video, because at the very end I'm going to give a price comparison between them so you can decide for yourself which one's best for you. So starting from the front, we're going to go around the exterior and then we'll go into the interior. Now the XL and the XLT both have halogen headlights. They both come standard from the factory from 2015 to 2020. The grille, the XL will have a flat grille, like a bar grille, and the XLT will too, except the XLT will be chrome. The XL does not have any chrome on it. That's one thing. So if you don't like chrome, it's probably, it's already a one-up for you. The XL will not have colored bumpers. That will actually have a gray or unfinished bumper. The XL is mostly a work truck, so the things I'm going to talk to you about are going to be more work related and less appearance wise. Going into the side, the XL and the XLT will both have 17-inch rims. Like I said, this is my sport package, so this one has 20s, but they will both have 17-inch rims. The distinction between them is you can actually see on the F-150 the badging. So it actually will tell you the trim level. It will say XL, XLT, STX, Lariat, Platinum, whatever. Mirror caps are actually going to be this color on both. No running boards on either. Door handles are going to be not painted. B-pillar trim is actually going to be a plastic for the XL, but the XLT will actually be color matched, or actually will just be black. And the XL does not have a keypad, but the STX does. So you can actually type in your keys or your number and open up the truck without the key, or without getting it out of your pocket. You still need it around you. Coming around the back, the XLT bumper is going to be chrome. The XL is not. There is the door handle, or the tailgate cover is going to be like a hard plastic, not body colored. They both come standard with the F-150 embossed into it. And the XLT will actually have a tip, not just a muffler coming out the back with no tip. As you can see, this is kind of rusted out, and the XLT will actually be like chrome, or like a polished look. But going into the inside, this is where the big differences are. So starting from the beginning, the XLT will have cloth seating, but in a more tan look. The XL will have it's not a leather, I forget the name of it, but it's like a tan, almost not leather, but like a cheap plasticky kind of seating. So that's for the XL, and the XLT, like I said, is this color. It's this kind of seating, but just in tan. The XL and XLT both do not come with this full center console. They actually have a folding bench seat that folds up and folds down. If you want to get the center console, you have to go to the XLT Sport or the XL STX, which is what I have. The front screen is not going to be an 8-inch screen. It's more like a 4-inch screen, and it basically just tells you the radio. There is no navigation. There is no like touchscreen, all that. They do come with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but does not have the Sync 3 system. I think it may have Sync 2, but they both do have Bluetooth. They both will have USB cords to plug your devices in, 12-volt outlets, things like that. To the back, it's going to be pretty standard. The XL and XLT are both going to have a 12-volt outlet and USB cords to plug in your phones. They will have vents back here as well. And the back is going to be pretty much self-explanatory. Like I said, the XLT is going to have tan, and then the XL is going to have the plastic, not rubber, but, or not leather, like plastic seating that's kind of tannish, or more like white. Going into the engine bay, the XL will come with a 3.3 liter V6 base engine, and the XLT will come with a 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost engine. The 3.3 liter is going to be the base of the F-150s. It is not fast at all. Like I said, it's just used just for work to get around. There is no performance. I think the 2.7 liters have about 400 horsepower and about 400 foot-pounds of torque, which is awesome, and the 3.5s have even more than that. The 5.0s is an added option. It's about $1,000 more, and that has also 400 horsepower and about 400 foot-pounds of torque. So that's the difference between the engine status. Going into the gears, they both come standard with I think it's 331 gears or 355 gears. Pretty much the suspension is going to be the same all around. Like I said, if you have a four-wheel drive package, your front is going to be raised up a little higher, so it's going to be more leveled in the front rather than slammed. As you can see, there's a lot of it looks like pretty much it's on the floor sometimes when it's on the two-wheel drive. And going into the pricing, I know this is what you guys want to hear. The XL trim level is going to start at $28,000, brand new. This is a one-door, single crew cab, no four-wheel drive, no added options. And the XLT is going to start at $34,000 or $35,000. So that's going to be about a $6,000 to $7,000 swing on these vehicles together. So if you feel like you want, the little added upgrade interior and the chrome, and you want the better engine, then maybe the XLT is best for you. But if you're just looking for a work truck, just to get around in that performs, the XL is best for you. I'll do another video on the difference between the STX, which is the XL Sport, and then the XLT Sport, which is basically they're kind of like a more luxurious platform of the lower base trim models, and actually those are going to be the best selling F-150s on the market today because they do get a really good bang for your buck. So I'll definitely make a video on that. But like I said, leave a comment down below and subscribe. Tell me about which trim level you have on your F-150. I have the XL with just the Sport package on top, but I'd love to hear you guys' comments. I get back with all my comments, and the channel's been growing really rapidly, so I'm awesome to see the new guys. And like I said, if you're new, welcome. My name is Professor Mike. I do truck videos all the time. Every single week I have videos coming out. Anything automotive related, car related, I do it all. So see you all in the next video. Peace.